up, fro friends? Thank you all so much for coming back to my channel and for tuning in again, guys. I know what you're thinking. It's growing out of her scalp, right? No. It is not. It is not, guys. So this is an Amazon V-part wig, honey, and it is less than $100. Okay, you can get this for less than $100. She is human hair. She is soft. She is voluminous, and she looks like she's growing out of your scalp. So if you want to learn more about this hair in this unit, stay tuned. This is the curly V-part wig. Like I said, it is in a 18-inch, and this is good for me because I am a short girl. So 18 inches is usually good on me. If you're a little bit taller, I would go for the longer units, which are around $90 to $150, but still not a lot for the unit and the length of the hair. I was very nervous. Okay, I was nervous because I got it, and of course hair out of the pack is not cute. Anyone that tells you hair out of the pack is cute, no matter if it's synthetic, if it's real hair, if it's bundled, if it's anything, like real hair out of the pack is not cute. Besides bundled hair, I will take that back. Bundled hair is really pretty outside of the pack, but other than that, like, wigs are not cute. So I was very nervous about it. I decided to give it a try because I was in between wigs and I didn't really want to braid my hair. So I was like, okay, let's give this a try. You know what I mean? So your girl went on ahead, took her out the pack. I did co-wash this so that the curls could kind of bounce back a little bit. I haven't co-washed it since then. In order to spruce it up in the morning, I will spray a little bit of water on it, but that's about it. I did face frame around because it does come with these like little bangs that you can kind of push off to the side or keep in front if you feel like you want to do that. And here is the final result, and I'll give it a little turn so you guys can see the back. This unit is pretty good for the price. I mean, I paid, I think, about $80 for it. Totally worth it. So the piece de resistance, what you guys wanted to see, how I installed this hair. So first, what I do is I make 2 anchor braids because I'm going to clip these clips right here into these anchor braids right here. So I'm going to want to make sure that the braids are pretty sturdy and that they're going to hold those clips in place all day long. For the rest of my hair, I just did 2 cornrows back, nothing too crazy because, you know, everything will be covered, but we can't put a wig cap on because we want our part to be out. So for this, this wig includes 4 combs up front, 1 in the middle, which I don't usually use. It's only been a few times that I've used that comb, honestly. This one right here in the back, and then 2 on the side. So how I do this is I basically just go flip it, attach the comb in the back, and then I'll come up front, place this over, and I'll just stick in these 2 combs up here in the front where the hair is going to be laying. And then I'll go in to my braid and just put in these combs. These combs do clip, so I'm just going to press them down so that they clip and secure. You guys see how I'm putting this onto the part in order to make this look as natural and as seamless as possible. And I'm just clipping these clips underneath my braid so that they're secured and anchored down. And just like that, guys, I just installed a whole wig in about 10 seconds. And that's how you do it. And this is probably the easiest option for me right now. It's so easy, on the go, and you just plop it on and it looks like it's growing out of your scalp. So in order to get this part looking as natural as possible, I do recommend that you back comb the part in order to not let these little combs show. The more that you kind of back comb and tease the part, the more and more natural that your part is gonna look. Of course, nobody's part is gonna be like super duper crisp. I just made sure that I back comb the hair, and also I kind of like when my hair is like fuzzy underneath because it makes it blend even more. Usually we like clean, crisp braids underneath, but I kind of like them to be really fuzzy. But the anchor braids in this hair is really, really important, because if you don't have those anchor braids, the clips will slip, because I've tried them without the anchor braids, and honey, just don't do it. Just don't do it. Just make sure that at least you're putting the 2 anchor braids, and if you need to ponytail your hair in the back, do that, but you just need those anchor braids, these small anchor braids just right here, in order to keep these clips intact. So y'all know that I am a sucker for natural looking hair, and so this hair is perfect for me. Now I will warn you guys, it does not come out the pack looking cute, honey, at all. It is actually pretty scary when it comes out of the pack, because the curls just do not look like this. What I personally did, I took it out the pack in order to get your V-part section. I did have to cut the lace on the V-part. If you do not co-wash the hair, the curls will not look like this, guys. Please, 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 if anything, please co-wash the hair so that the curls return back to their natural state. Also, I know that people do wear these wigs with a little bit of leave out. I personally choose not to, because A, my hair is not this dark, and B, I really just wanted to wear the wig like it was supposed to be wore, a V-part with no leave out or whatever, and I wanted to see if it was really a thing, and it actually is. I get away with this all the time. Like, I wear this to work and people really think that this is the hair growing out of my head. So it is a very, very nice natural looking wig. It's not heavy. I would say that the density is kind of light. So if you are a super duper dense hair girl, I would not recommend this for you. But if you don't care about the density and you just like the look of it and you can make it look full, I would say go for it, because you can't really tell that the density is not all there with my hair. And also, I want it to look as natural as possible. I don't want you to walk up on me and be like, "Oh girl, look at you, look at that wig you're wearing." If you are in the market for a very, very nice, easy starter V-part wig, you don't want to pay a ton of money for a V-part wig, especially if you never tried one before, I would definitely recommend this one. This is a really, really good starter, and I personally will like go to bat for this, because if you see me out in regular life, you will see me with this unit on at least once a month, because your girl be tired. Your girl be doing a lot. Your girl has things all over the place. So when I need a really, really quick hairstyle, when my hair is not done and I need to go somewhere, I need to be somewhere, I need to be looking cute, I need to be looking bomb, I'm gonna throw this on, because honey, this is, I mean, for an $80 unit, you can't beat this. You cannot beat this. So I thank you all so much for coming and tuning in with this quick V-part video. If you have any questions, or if there were any questions that you had that I didn't answer in this video, please let me know down below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, why Why haven't you? Go on ahead, click on my face, and I'll see you in my next video.